Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen. Well, honey child, once again you've asked and I'm always here to deliver oven baked Jamaican style jerk chicken wings in my kitchen, fast, easy and simple. Now if you're here watching me cooking for your very first time, be sure that you have subscribed. If you're not already subscribed, feel free to do so and then turn on the post notification settings to be reminded every time your girl uploads a brand new video. Now let's jump right into the recipe.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Okay, love bugs, let's jump right into our oven baked jerk chicken recipe that you have requested. Now, let's get started right here. Now, my chicken wings are nice and clean. I'm always use salt and lemon juice and vinegar to get my chicken nice and clean. Fresh lemon, if you don't have that, lime is fine, lemon juice is fine. Make sure, however, that you go in and check those wings thoroughly, because ain't nobody gonna be happy when them find feathers hanging out by your chicken wings them. Everybody and the old neighborhood go chat you or them come at them house and them find feathers by your chicken wings. So honey, go ahead and check them suspects, all right, and pick them off one by one, because we ain't cooking no feathers up in here. Now to get started, I added some salt to the chicken, and that's the first thing I always put. Then I went for my black pepper and grabbed that and sprinkled my black pepper all over my chicken wings like that, right? So salt and black pepper it was, boo. Then I went in for my onion powder and I dashed that on my chicken wings them too. Yes, boo. So we got that. Understood? Of course you're going to grab your garlic powder because you did add onion powder, and that is a combination of the two. So you go ahead and just splash it in there all generously and all them things there. Then of course mama ain't gonna leave her all-purpose season, and my Grace brand it is, because that's the one I love. Girlfriend loves some Ocheerios chicken season, so I went in and splashed that all up in that goodliness. Grab some paprika and dash that all over them wings. Bam, 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 bam. Yes. Now it's just time for my jerk season. So I did add my jerk season powdered mix first to the mix, and then I combine it with my jerk seasoning liquid mix to the jerk chicken wings today. So it's a combination of those two. Mama love of course some Ocheerios, so I went in for my Ocheerios browning and splashed it all up nice and slow up in my chicken wings. Now don't watch them hands, and them hands are really white, but it's clean though. It's from washing the hands all day up in the kitchen. So yeah, put the third eye upon the wings them. Sit it aside, let it sit for at least 30 minutes before you move on. Now 30 minutes later, my chicken wings was ready to go into my oven. And goodie, make sure that your oven is preheated. Do not put your chicken wings to go hang out in no cold oven. It has to be 350 degrees at heat, and it has to be nice and hot to have the perfect jerk chicken wings, juicy jerk chicken wings in your kitchen like ever, right? So you want to get those in, and you want to let it bake for about, I'd say 35 minutes at 350 degrees. You're going to come back and you're going to get that, we're going to make that sauce to put on there, but you ever see the whole thing, right? But just go ahead and just put all of the mixture, and left nothing out. Just get all the mixture on the chicken wings and put it into your preheated oven at 350 degrees. Yes, I'm saying this to say that them wings are well done. But before you drop it in the oven, right? Put your extra virgin olive oil on it because it's going to give it a nice little crisp on top of them wings. That skin layer, it's going to do something magical to them wings, right? It's going to make it juicy, but yes, crispy, and it's going to melt in your mouth. Pop it in the oven, 300 degrees, and we are going to move on and making the sauce because the sauce has to be done when those chicken wings are almost ready. Now, to get the sauce going, I did had a cup of ketchup, right? Just any regular ketchup you have laying around your house. Then after I did that, I went in and added a half cup of water. All right, so you add your ketchup and then you add a half cup of water to it. And I am going to write all of the things I'm going to use for the recipe down below. All right, so don't bother attack me. It's going to be down there. Check it before you come for me. All right, check it. Got it. Okay, so now that I did this and did that, I went in with some sugar, and I did have 2 tablespoons of the cane sugar, brown sugar, and a half teaspoon of vinegar, apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of soy sauce. That's what your girl did. And then I did had a little bit of the garlic powder because I love garlic everything. Spin it up all up into that goodness something there. And I did allow it to boil just for a little bit. But you want to have your fire down on low heat, of course. Very, very low heat. And just let it all come together like that. Now you want to go in with about a tablespoon of cornstarch, mix it up and throw it in there. And it's going to be ready. Now when your wings are done after about 35 minutes of baking in the oven, it's going to look like that. It's going to look like it's ready, but it's not really ready because you didn't turn it over like that, right? Still look good, but I like everything well done. Now with the sauce that you made, right, goodie, you're going to go ahead and just get it all up on that chicken wing, on the outer skin first. That's crisp. You want to mellow it down with the sauce. It's going to soak all the way through into them chicken skin, and it's going to give your wings a different kind of tone up. When you don't do that, you are going to turn it over now. Turn it over and repeat the same thing you did before, which is getting all that good juice all up on that chicken on the inside. And you are going to just let it melt right into the very crevice of the chicken wings. Nice and slow and gentle. Just like that. Yes, you want to go ahead, pop it in your oven. Turn your oven down this time to 325 degrees and give it about 15 minutes. All right, and you are good to go. Now, if you're still here watching me cooking, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, feel free to do so, goodie. I always have some great recipes here, right? They're always fast, easy, and simple to follow. You know, see what you want? What you wait for? Ask me. I'm not gonna do it, right? I always deliver. While you're still here, make sure that you have subscribed to my second channel, Life as Juliana. I always have inspirational videos, Dollar Tree DIY, anything come to mind, like vlogs and more. All of my vegan goodies. No more vegan recipes here. Go over there and subscribe to the channel, Life as Juliana. The link for the channel will also be down in the description box, so check that out. Just click button to take it over there. All of the vegan recipes are always good, and I love you guys so much for supporting what I do. And I see the love and I love it. All right, love you. All right, now back to the recipe. The chicken wings are done. Now look what them juicy. You see me I talk about? That jerk season as soaked on up to heaven, honey. These wings are oh so good. Oh so good. And they are ready to chow because I have a few people here that's waiting for these wings. As I am getting ready to done with it. All right, the wings them come out nice and juicy and delicious, and the outer skin is just full of flavor. The sauce made it everything, and it is all the way up to heaven, boo. I'm not playing with these wings, all right? I really do like to make wings like this in the oven. I think it's more juicier and full of more flavor, I think, when you do it in the oven versus the grill. When you cut or when you break into them wings, the flavor is through the very bone. You hear me? You see how juicy and tender that is in that skin part? It's divine. You will not be disappointed, I'm telling you. And that sauce, that dipping sauce right there, I don't know, joke thing, it is massive. I tell you, this wings was gone in 5 minutes, okay? It is no joke, not to play with. And I do hope that you are enjoying the recipes. I hope that you are sharing the love with friends and family. Spread the news all across to the border, right? Make them know we're going over here. So send them come goodie. I am waiting. Now, if you don't see what you want, tell me what you want and I will deliver. Let me know down in the description box, alright? And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!